In my previous video, I gave you a quick sneak peek at the AnimationStudio software. Today, I want to show you a little more in-depth look at what this can do and how easy it is to make some really great looking animated videos with it. Now, I'm working on a brand new blank project here, and I'm going to add in a simple background image to this. And then I'm going to go in and add in some graphics. Now there's a lot of different graphics and things that you can choose from. There are all these different sets, and each set has these individual icons. So I could put in a car, for example. If I wanted to make the car smaller or larger, I can just scroll my mouse button or click on the zoom bar up here to make that object a different size. I can add in additional objects. Now, in addition to doing some simple things like this, where we are just adding in objects to create a scene, we can also animate this stuff using AnimationStudio. Now, any given object that we have in this scene, we can simply click on it, and down below we can control when this object is going to enter and exit our scene. So maybe I didn't want this car to be showing up right away. Maybe I don't want it showing up until 3 seconds or so into the video. Now the only problem with this is it just pops into the video. All of a sudden it appears on the screen, but you're not just limited to that. You have these transitions that you can do with AnimationStudio, where you just drag out the length of time that you want the transition to happen for, and then you can choose how you want this object to be coming in. So if I want it to drive in slowly or drive in quickly, I can make it do that. If I want to do other effects like making it fade in or zoom in, they're all different choices for me here. So I can make it look like this car is zooming in and coming to a stop here at this stoplight. And I can actually do the same thing for this other vehicle as well. Maybe I want this one to come in just a little bit later. So now when I play my entire scene, the car comes in and stops, the bike comes in and stops. So you can customize what you want to happen. And you're not just limited to it coming into the screen either. You can also choose what happens in terms of it leaving as well. You can set an exit transition. So for this car, I can do the same thing. Maybe I want it to fly off the page, or maybe I want it to slowly accelerate and leave. So then by doing this, now I have the car coming in, the bike coming in, and then after a minute, the bike leaves again. So this is just a small example of what can be done. There are really a wide range of different kinds of scenes, and in each of these scenes, there are a wide variety of different kinds of objects that you can place in, and you can mix and match these things together. So I can actually take a person from one scene and add it in here. Maybe I make it look like this person's gonna go and get on the school bus. Or maybe I want to flip him around and make it look like he's standing over here on the other side. A lot of these additional characters and things are also animated. There are some of these objects where there's already some kind of movement involved with them, where the person might be waving or moving their arms. And so you can make it look like they're doing various things within your scene. And all this stuff is really easy to add in and take complete control over. I wanted to start over again here with a blank project for you so I can show you another couple of features here. In addition to the pre-built graphics library, where you have all of these different objects and characters that you can add to your animated videos, you can also choose to use your own objects, where you can choose images off of your computer, things that you create yourself, things that you download from the internet. This can be cartoon pictures, or it can be real life pictures as well. And you can actually animate this stuff and make this a part of your video. So let's say you're promoting products as an Amazon affiliate. You can load up an image of a product, and then you can add in simple text objects. So you can see it's a fairly easy process to create your own custom videos, and especially for Amazon products where you have images that you can easily find on the internet, and then you can also provide your own text to go along with this, and you can easily create pretty useful in-depth review videos for people on YouTube and also people that are visiting your own website. So in addition to just displaying this stuff on your screen, you can also go in and animate these things, where just like I was doing with the objects before, where I have them show up on my page in a certain manner, I can do the same thing here, where I have these load up using transitions, and then I can choose how they are going to appear on my page. I can have them zooming in or zooming out or appearing. There's all different kinds of options available to me. So maybe I want it to slide in to the page. And then my text, this could slide into the page just a little bit after. So now when I play this, I have the picture coming in and I have the words coming in. And I could still do the same thing with the exit effects as well if I wanted to add some of them. Now you're not just limited to using the same effects either. I could choose to make the image, maybe I want it to do more of a fade in while my text up there is going to be sliding into the page. So you can combine these different effects. Now another thing that's great is using the text to speech feature. If I want to talk about this particular product, it's actually pretty easy to do so. If I'm not comfortable with doing my own voiceover, I can just type in information about this product. So I can take something like this and click on the button, and it turns it into voice that I can then choose where within my scene I want it to display or to start playing. And then I can play my scene, and I have now voice automatically built in.
The Krupp Spice and Coffee Grinder can quickly grind 3 ounces in only 10 seconds.
So you can see, using these different tools, how easy it is to use AnimationStudio to put together a wide variety of different videos for an unlimited number of purposes. No matter what kind of website you run, no matter what you're trying to do online with marketing, you can utilize AnimationStudio to help to enhance your website, to make it more useful and interactive for your visitors, to be able to provide information in more than just a basic text format. And you can also use this to help you to gain extra traffic from things like publishing videos on YouTube. You can even create videos for clients and sell them to them. So there's nearly an unlimited number of ways that you can utilize a fantastic tool like AnimationStudio. The AnimationStudio software is not currently available to the general public. I've just been giving you a early sneak peek look at this particular software. However, beginning on August the 2nd, that's a Thursday, at 11 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Amazon or AnimationStudio will be made available to the general public. And if you buy this software through the page that you see down on the bottom of this screen, and this is my website, you will get AnimationStudio along with my 20-part bonus bundle. This includes an extensive, in-depth bonus training series made just for AnimationStudio, where I teach you how to use this software, and I also teach you how to make a number of specific types of videos with it, including an Amazon affiliate product review video. So if you are watching this video on my website, you are probably already on this particular page. Just bookmark this page and come back on August the 2nd at 11 a.m. If you are watching this video on YouTube, just type the address that you see at the bottom of your screen into your address bar and bookmark that page to return on August the 2nd to get your copy of AnimationStudio with my exclusive 20-part bonus package.